everyone, this is Riley from Komatco. Today we are going to visit the Lutong factory and check some more machines such as motor graders, tractors and so on. Okay, now let's go. What a beautiful machine. The machine LTS211H. The roller is a hosted selling machine. Okay, let me introduce it to you in detail. First of all, we can see that the weight of this roller is about 10 tons. It has a strong compaction ability to ensure the firmness and flatness of the road. Secondly, this roller adopts a hydraulic speed change system, which makes the operation easier and improves the work efficiency. Okay, now let's check the engine. This is a Cummins engine stage 2 emission. As we all know, the Cummins engine is popular in most Chinese machines. So we can see its good performance. Its rated power is 110 kilowatts, about 143 horsepower. This is one of the reasons I like it very much because it has great power. Finally, let's take a look at the cab. This roller is pilot controlled and equipped with air conditioning, fans, and rollover protection. So you will feel very comfortable when you drive it. Okay, listen to my introduction. Are you interested in this machine? If you are interested, please take action, and I will give you a best price. Thank you.